Dr. Kemple here with the Joint Chiropractic with another video for you guys. Today we're going to go over exercises to help with your low back pain that focuses on your glutes. So you've heard me say this in the other videos. The main thing you can do most of the time for your low back pain is to get adjusted. And then the other trick you can do on your own is to safely turn on your core and your glutes. We went over core on some other videos. You can check those out after this. Today, let's focus on the glutes. And we'll start right now. These are all 3 sets of 10, like always. I would start doing these every other day. And always check with your doctor before you start these. And the big red flag is if it's causing pain or making the pain worse, you stop, come in and talk to us, and we'll see what we can do to modify things for you. So, first exercise to turn on the glutes when you have low back pain, which is called the glute bridge. Laying on your back right here, knees up, and about shoulder width apart. And before we start lifting up, we're going to go over that posterior pelvic tilt again, which again means tucking your pelvis underneath you like this. And the trick here, pretend like you're sucking your belly button down towards the ground. So, posterior pelvic tilt, engaging the core, then turn on the glutes and fire up like this. Squeeze those glutes at the top, come back down and relax. Posterior pelvic tilt, push up with the glutes. Again, pausing at the top. You don't want to overextend here, just come up this high, squeezing the glutes. Overextension will cause, or will probably cause some low back pain, so don't do it. Just like that. 3 sets of 10. Take a break between sets so you're not overdoing it. And then we're going to go into the second exercise today. And very simple, no equipment needed, just called the side leg raise. So you're on your side, legs going straight down like this, and all you're doing, we're going to turn on this left glute, lifting straight up right here with this left leg. Squeezing at the top, like this. For this, you want to make sure your foot is pointing straight ahead to isolate that glute as much as we can here. The common mistake is when people go up like this, they turn their foot out, and so it's pointing up towards the ceiling more. You'll still feel your glute here, but it's also going to turn on your outer quad, and we're trying to isolate the glutes right now. We're not worrying about the quads. So we're just coming up like this. Just like that. 3 sets of 10. Do 10 on this side, flip to the other side, get the right glute, and do that 3 times. So those are the 2 without equipment. This last one, you do need a hip band. You don't need this one. This is a more expensive one for like 50 bucks. You can buy a $10 hip band on Amazon or a sporting goods store, and that'll be just fine. If you go with those other ones though, be careful. I would wear pants when you do them because those can tend to roll up and pinch, which is no fun. So you don't want to do that. So take the band. You're going just around the knees, right above them. Again, for the video purposes, we're just going to go right back to that. The left glutes here. So you're lying on your side, make about a 90-degree angle with your knees. And then they're called the clamshells for a reason because you're going to open up your knees. It's going to look like a clamshell. Pretty simple. Just like this. I would say it's pretty simple, but you can definitely feel your glutes getting turned on here. So it's going to feel like a little bit of a workout if these glutes haven't been woken up in a while. And again, that's very common for low back pain. So we're going to turn these on and strengthen the glutes, take pressure off that low back. 3 sets of 10. Just pausing at the top here, just like that. And you will definitely feel that. So I'm going to give you a bonus here. So those are the 3, the glute bridge, side leg raise, and the clamshell. Something you do if you're at work or again somewhere where you can't lay on the ground and your back is acting up and you want to turn on your glutes to take the pressure off that low back. You know, find a wall or a chair and just do that side leg raise to turn this glute on. So again, just standing right here, going straight out, turning this on right here. From a different angle, going out like this, just some support so you don't fall over, turning on the glute here. Again, foot should be pointing straight ahead. And I guess this would be a second bonus. To go along with that, you can also do a hip extension here. Just going straight back, turning on the glutes this way. Straight back. Again, these are better on the ground, and there's other more difficult ways to do, or other more difficult ways to turn on these glutes that are more advanced, but right now we're just doing the basics. We want to turn these glutes on to get this low back pain to calm down. So that's what we got for you today. Again, talk to your doctor before you do these, and if it hurts, stop doing them and come in and talk to us.